Why would anybody want to buy art? Why would anybody want to buy a sports team?
Okay.
Because why would anybody want to buy trading cards? Baseball, football, basketball cards, Pokemon cards, whatever your thing was. Because it gives them some form of entertainment, especially for art. They like looking at it. They think it'll go up in value. This gets us to, because I lump, the reason I said all these things together, sports teams, all that stuff, I appear to be frozen. There we are.
Yeah, I can see you. Okay. Yep, you're good.
I lump things like sport teams, art, NFTs, trading cards into kind of all the same category. And what comes into play here is what's called the greater fool theory. This is not to be derogatory. This is the actual name of the theory.
Sure.
You buy, let's say, a sports team. Why would anybody want to buy a sports team?
Other than the prestige.
Yeah, other than the prestige. Because they think it's going to go up in value. So that's the same reason people buy NFTs if they know what they're doing and actually doing it intentionally. Maybe they just like to trade stuff too. Like me and my brother, we would act like we were doing stuff, but looking back, we were just kind of trading and having fun with them.
Yeah.
So there's part of it. The bigger part for most people is that the prestige, it's brand new, and then they think it's going to go up in value. Same thing with sports teams. I mean, same things with pieces of art. You think they're going to go up in value over time, or you derive some form of entertainment out of it.
Okay, so this is more like along the lines of then they may want to sell it, they may want to keep it, they may just want to be one of the only ones that have a limited number of this thing. So it's sort of like an elite club. And we all like that. You know, we all like being part of that. Okay, so this then, I think, I already know your answer. This then is not what you would consider a viable investment.